Welcome to Science and Technology Briefing. The content of the briefing includes: ambitious research yields new atlas of human brain cells. Cost of London to Birmingham leg of HS2 jumps by a fifth to £54 billion. EU investigating X's compliance with blocks online content rules. The human brain has a dizzying array of mystery cells. New research campus to solve global problems. Ambitious research yields new atlas of human brain cells. Reuters. Scientists have created a detailed atlas of over 3,300 types of cells found in the human brain, a resource that may help identify the causes of neurological disease and enable the development of new treatments. The research, supported by the U.S. National Institutes of Health, also included studies of the brains of chimpanzees, gorillas, rhesus monkeys and marmosets, identifying differences between the species. The study revealed that cellular diversity is concentrated in older parts of the brain rather than the neocortex, which is responsible for higher cognitive functions. Cost of London to Birmingham leg of HS2 jumps by a fifth to £54 billion. Financial Times. The cost of building the London to Birmingham section of the HS2 high-speed railway in the UK has increased by 20% in just 4 months, according to figures published by the Department for Transport. The upper cost estimate for the leg has risen from £45 billion, $59 billion, in June to £54 billion in October. The Financial Times has calculated that this would rise to £68 billion in today's prices. The project, which has been plagued by budget overruns and delays, had an original budget of just under £33 billion when it was approved in 2012. EU investigating X's compliance with blocks online content rules. Reuters. The European Commission is investigating Elon Musk's X social media platform to determine if it complies with new EU tech rules on illegal and harmful content. The investigation comes after disinformation was spread on the platform following Hamas' attack on Israel. The EU has asked X to provide information in accordance with the Digital Services Act. The company has been given deadlines to provide the requested information. The human brain has a dizzying array of mystery cells. New York Times. An international team of scientists has successfully mapped the human brain in a level of detail never before achieved. The Human Cell Atlas is a $375 million project launched in 2017 and has identified over 3,300 types of brain cells, which is 10 times more than previously reported. However, scientists have little understanding of what the newly discovered cells do. The findings were published in 21 papers in journals including Science. The project was made possible by the use of new technologies that enabled researchers to study millions of human brain cells taken from biopsied tissue or cadavers. The researchers have only examined a fraction of the estimated 170 billion cells that make up the human brain. New research campus to solve global problems. The Independent. The Ellison Institute of Technology, EIT, founded by U.S. tech billionaire Larry Ellison, is opening a new campus in England. The campus, located in Oxford, will focus on solving global challenges related to food security, sustainable agriculture, medical science and healthcare, clean energy and climate change, and government policy and economics. The campus will comprise research laboratory space, a patient clinic, and education space. It will also establish a scholarship program for 20 students annually. The EIT faculty includes former UK Prime Minister Tony Blair, who said the campus will boost the growth of the country's technology sector. NFL Sunday Ticket draws an estimated 1.3 million fans to YouTube. Bloomberg. According to a new report by research firm Antenna, die-hard sports fans are increasingly migrating online to watch live sports, driven by the multi-billion-dollar investments made by major technology companies. The report states that the NFL Sunday Ticket, now distributed by YouTube, has attracted an estimated 1.3 million sign-ups, surpassing the 1.2 million customers it reportedly had under its previous distributor, DirecTV. The package is also driving new subscribers to YouTube TV, with about 41% of Sunday Ticket subscribers being new customers to the online alternative to cable television. The findings highlight that sports fans will go where the programming is available, similar to fans of films and TV dramas. Antenna's report also states that older online services from the NBA and MLB continue to thrive, while newer products like NFL Plus and MLS Season Pass are off to a fast start. The report adds that services that can reach a large portion of the population are generally performing better, citing Walt Disney Company's ESPN Plus and MLB TV. Antenna estimates that sports league-run services have nearly 10 million customers, while regional sports networks on cable and satellite have been struggling. UK competition watchdog green lights rules for climate collaboration. Financial Times. The UK Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, will not bring enforcement action against environmental sustainability agreements that meet certain public interest tests, according to new guidelines. Agreements that have a tangible impact on climate change will be protected from enforcement action, given the benefit to UK consumers as a whole. Examples of permissible collaborations include home builders agreeing to install only energy-efficient products, financial institutions deciding not to finance or insure fossil fuel projects, and fashion groups no longer using fabrics that contribute to plastic pollution. Japan to defend chips, other tech with new economic security plan. Nikkei Asia. The Japanese government is set to release an economic security plan this month to protect vital industries such as semiconductors and promote cooperation with international partners. The plan will encompass measures to support, protect, and promote international coordination in industries such as semiconductors, quantum computing, decarbonization, and biotechnology. Support will include subsidies and tax breaks, and measures such as export controls will be used to defend industry. The plan also calls for international cooperation to confront economic coercion, such as unilateral trade restrictions and forced technology transfers. Well, it's your favorite observer from the 6 Degrees world, Dr. Six, here with another round of intriguing news. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, we have scientists who have created a detailed atlas of over 3,300 types of cells found in the human brain. It's like having a GPS for our minds. This research could help us identify the causes of neurological diseases and develop new treatments. Plus, they even studied the brains of our primate cousins to compare the differences between species. Turns out, cellular diversity is concentrated in the older parts of our brains, not the neocortex responsible for high-level thinking. So, it seems we've got some ancient secrets lurking in our heads. Next, we have the London to Birmingham leg of the HS2 high-speed railway project. Brace yourselves, folks, because the cost has jumped by a whopping 20% in just 4 months. Talk about a budget runaway train. The upper estimate now stands at a mind-boggling £54 billion. And if we account for today's prices, we're looking at a staggering £68 billion. Yikes! This project has faced more delays and budget overruns than a procrastinator trying to finish an assignment. Let's just hope they can get it back on track soon. Now, onto Elon Musk's X social media platform. The European Commission is investigating whether X complies with the EU's rules on illegal and harmful content. Apparently, some disinformation was spread on the platform following the recent conflict between Hamas and Israel. The EU wants X to provide information in accordance with the Digital Services Act, and deadlines have been set. Looks like even the tech giants have to play by the rules, huh? Hold on to your hats, folks, because we've got a groundbreaking discovery. An international team of scientists has mapped the human brain in unprecedented detail. Thanks to the Human Cell Atlas project, we now know of over 3,300 types of brain cells, 10 times more than previously reported. But here's the catch, we have no idea what most of these newly discovered cells actually do. It's like finding a bunch of keys without knowing what doors they open. Talk about a brain teaser. Moving on, we have the Ellison Institute of Technology, EIT, opening a new campus in Oxford, England. Founded by tech billionaire Larry Ellison, this campus aims to tackle global challenges in fields like food security, sustainable agriculture, medical science, and clean energy. They've got big plans, including research labs, a patient clinic, and even a scholarship program. With former UK Prime Minister Tony Blair on board, it looks like the EIT campus will be a force to be reckoned with. Get ready for some technological innovations, folks. And now, let's talk sports. Die-hard sports fans are flocking to online platforms to watch live sports, thanks to major investments by tech companies. Just take the NFL Sunday Ticket, now available on YouTube. It's attracted a whopping 1.3 million sign-ups, surpassing its previous distributor, DirecTV. And it's not just football fans joining the online revolution. Older online services from the NBA and MLB are still going strong, while newer products like NFL Plus and MLS Season Pass are off to a fast start. It seems the world of sports is embracing the digital game. In other news, the UK Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, is giving the green light to collaborations that promote environmental sustainability. Agreements that have a tangible impact on climate change won't face enforcement action. So, home builders can agree to install energy-efficient products, financial institutions can refuse to finance fossil fuel projects, and fashion groups can ditch fabrics that contribute to plastic pollution. It's a win-win for the environment and consumers alike. Last but not least, Japan is gearing up to protect its vital industries, especially semiconductors, with a new economic security plan. This plan includes measures to support, protect, and promote international cooperation in industries such as quantum computing, decarbonization, and biotechnology. They're even ready to defend their industries against economic coercion, like trade restrictions and forced technology transfers. Looks like Japan is ready to play some high-stakes economic defense. And there you have it, my astute viewers. From mapping the mysteries of the human brain to defending vital industries, the world is buzzing with exciting developments. But what do you think? Do you have any thoughts or burning questions about these news stories? Share your ideas and let's dive into a lively discussion together. The stage is yours, my friends. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.